Hi guys, my name is Sonia and today we're going to do a Valentine's Day inspired makeup look. I'm thinking red lips and easy soft eyes so you can have fun, dance all night if you don't have a boyfriend. If you have a boyfriend, just kiss all night. First thing, I'm going to use this brush. It's a new blue set of Noelle brushes. And I'm just going to cover any redness or blemishes, discoloration I have on my face. So just dab softly anywhere you want to cover before applying foundation. And why I'm doing this is because I don't want to put too much foundation. And this brush is perfect for that because it is soft. Then you can just kind of dab with your fingertips. It's soft, but it picks up the product very, very good. So next thing is putting on liquid foundation. I'm going to use this brush. It is smaller, but that gives me kind of control over my face. I can get here around the nose or any places on the face where it's kind of hard when you have too big of a brush. So my type is this kind of brush. The next thing I'm going to use is a liquid concealer, and I'm going to use this brush. It's really dense, so it picks up the product really good and it's ideal for concealer. Anything liquid you put on your face, you need to set. So I'm going to use this brush to set underneath the eyes, around the nose, basically T-zone, anything that gets oily and I can get oily. And with bigger brush later, we will set the whole face. And the bigger brush, which is this one, really good. I love it, so soft. You can take for your whole face. Moving on to eyes, I'm going to use this brush. It's a fluffy blending brush, just to put rosy, kind of fresh, soft color all over my lid. Now when you have that base shadow, you can go with this brush. It's a more flat one, so you can be more precise. So now we want to put anything right into the socket. And I'm going to press more than I will swipe around, so the product can stay and the eyeshadow intensity, the color that we want, can be more visible. Now we have our eyeshadow on. We're going to use the same brush we used for covering our blemishes to put a little bit of highlight here on the center of the lid so our eyes can pop and be more sparkly. Next thing we're going to use is a liquid eyeliner, and this is the brush I'm going to use. It's really thin and precise, and I think it's ideal for this step. Eyes are almost done. We have a thin eyeliner because I just wanted to create that thicker eyelashes because we're going to put mascara on. Moving on to red lips, I'm going to use this brush because it's small and really precise. And when you're doing a red lip, it can be tricky. So it looks kind of easier than it really is, but I think you can do it. Back to eyes. To finish the eyes, we're going to use same brush we used to fill in the socket with the sable-y kind of grayish color. So we can just connect the eyes, but still we're going to have a focus on the top. Moving on to blush, I'm going to use this brush, and it's kind of round, as you can see, so it's really good for the cheeks and higher points of your face. You can really catch the product, and I really love it. And no look is complete without a bit of highlighter. I'm going to use this brush and just put it on the highest points of our face. So that would be tip of the nose, cheekbone, kind of this part of the forehead, so when you're looking on the sides, it will reflect and it looks really, really nice. So this is the final look. I hope you guys liked it. It's a classic look. It doesn't have to be just for Valentine's Day. Just have fun, and I hope you like it.